404 Films and Red Bull Media House bring you this year's must-see motorcycle movie, Ride United. Ride United will break new ground with some insane bucket list ride locations from around the globe and spends time with some of the world's leading motorcycle athletes.
I'm Ryan Dungey.
I'm Cairoli.
My name is Tom Pagès.
I'm Jolene Van Butte.
I'm Cooper Webb.
I'm Jeffrey Herlings. It's Marvin Musquin.
Jared McNeil here.
Cody Webb here.
My name is Danny Torres.
I'm Toby Price.
I'm Daddy Bezuziak. I'm Alfredo Gomez.
I'm Chiara Fontanesi.
It's Jeremy Martin.
I'm Sandra Gomez.
No matter what walk of life we came from, whatever our story, we were all linked by what we love to do. Ride our dirt bikes. We are all united.